Welcome aboard 748 Charlie, Renegade aircraft. Very unique aircraft, lots of fun to fly. We're in Manchester, New Hampshire on the Merrimack River right now. And we're going to demonstrate a takeoff and a landing in the aircraft.
Looks like it's a boat there, water steers.
Yep, we get along well with boats. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the aircraft for departure. Setting the DT to the compass, looks like 035. We don't need anything in the GPS today, but we'll put Manchester in there anyway, just for a reference. One thing we want to be sure of is that we have water rudder up and that we have the trim set, which is a matter of bringing it all the way back, then just to clip forward. And we want to make sure the flaps are down and the landing gear is up in this aircraft. Water rudder is up. And shutting the door now, and we're going to turn around for departure to the south. Checking the doors, seat belts, before takeoff checklist, pretty complete. And we're lining up here. We can actually take off around the corner. We start with the yoke all the way back. A water landing. Make sure we say this stuff out loud. The water rudder is up, landing gear is up. We check all three of them visually. Strategically end up right back in front of the river house.
Nice job, Captain.
Yeah, thank you for flying along with us today. It's a wonderful adventure here. Oh, there's Angela up there.
Do you have a horn to toot or no?
I don't.
Okay.
You can open the door. We could actually shut the engine down and we could go for a swim if we wanted to. Now we're in the water, we can put the water rudder down to get a little more control.
go to any body of water. You can land this in any body of water as long as the waves are what, less than 2 feet or.
You can land it in any body of water until you get accused of being a terrorist.
Yes, 68, 6 up.
Drive this like a speedboat on the water too. Have you ever experienced that?
No.
What we want to do is go to
Could you
this
race
nav
that
screen.
Could you race that jet ski?
Oh yeah, see this 5.7? We're going to try to hold that around 30. You might want to wave to Angela when we go by, my neighbor.